Whoa, look at Saturn's glittering rings, like a giant cosmic hula hoop. These rings are made of billions of icy rocks, each tiny as a snowflake. Saturn's rings stretch over 175,000 km, longer than Earth's whole diameter. Three bright bands, A, B, and C, shine with their own special sparkle. A dark gap, the Cassini division, splits the rings like a space river. Saturn's pull and moon tugs keep the rings dancing in perfect balance. Tiny shepherd moons herd particles, shaping the rings into neat, glittery lanes. Scientists think the rings are only 100 million years old, super young. In billions of years, the rings may fade as they fall into Saturn. Imagine a pizza the size of Earth. Saturn's rings would be the cheesy crust. If you could build a space playground, would you use Saturn's sparkling rings? Thanks for exploring. Subscribe for more dazzling space wonders. See you among the stars.